Well, here we are in a new week. What are we doing this week? What's on?
I don't know. Massive week. We've decided to fully delay the launch of our patent pot kits. 2 reasons. Andrew found out that they're not due to arrive until the 25th of November.
That's completely wrong.
Yes, it's true.
And that's for the remaining stock. But we still have a ton of stock coming in. Seriously. Turn it off for 1 sec.
No.
Don't you?
No. We have 1,000 kits coming.
Yes.
Okay.
We got this on video. Thank God for that.
Had some hard conversations already this week. We are moving away from PR in the US, which is difficult. It's just not really working out for us.
Another job will be phenomenal at.
You're so negative, Nancy.
I'm just honest. This is how honest people talk.
Yeah, we're pumped. It's going to be a massive week. We've got a new website we're going to launch this week. The team's working on a CRM. We've got a full-time artist now.
I'm going to get roasted in 3, 2, 1. Rosa watching Rosa.
This is a fascinating documentary. Making the instructions, but I'm just doing it on paper. Groundbreaking stuff over here. It's our first video. I need to make sure it's perfect before we go live.
This is New York. This is what it's like.
Can you hear Andrew moaning and groaning from the bathroom? We have been so out of sync for so long. One day he'll wake up and he'll just be like, ready and worrying, like, come on, Rose, let's do it, let's get the day. And I'm like, I can't move. Some days, like today, I'm like up early, I'm feeling fresh, I'm ready to seize the day. And it took me so long to try and convince him to get out of bed. And like, he's like, oh, I think I'll just stay here. I'm like, no, it's Bagel Thursday. That means every Thursday we are allowed to eat 1 bagel, and we are on the search for the best bagel in New York. So stay tuned on what we choose. Good morning, sunshine. How are you feeling this morning?
Good. You make it sound like I have to sleep in every morning.
Yeah. He doesn't work much. We have photographic evidence of you just lying down places. Okay, what are you working on today?
Just fixing up a few logistical issues.
Like what? Tell us the problem.
We ordered a whole heap of stuff and it was supposed to be on a ship, and it turns out it wasn't on a ship, so...
What does that mean for us?
It means we stop. We have to stop. The whole thing stops. So it wasn't there.
You're laughing, but you're dying on the inside.
Yeah, that's why I try and sleep through it, so I don't have to deal with it.
Wake me up when it's all over. I love how we say at the moment, but it's been like that for the past 2 years. Where we're going for our dream bagel. Delightful coffee.
American coffee.
No bagel.
Another day, another cafe. Quentin Street Bakery, no bagels. Hey, that could be our stock. That could be our business stock. We're talking about where we want to be in a month and a half.
We have our accommodation until the 20th of November in New York, and we're trying to work out where to go next after here for a number of reasons. But yeah, we're thinking Georgia, near Turkey.
No, we're thinking of putting things in a hat, pulling out the place we want to go to.
Yeah, I'm keen. Georgia. This is what our Friday nights look like. Woo! What are you doing? You're not funny. You're actually disgusting. That's not funny. Oh my god. What an idiot. We are having a hardcore weekend, smashing out a brand new website.
Has anyone done a website in 36 hours?
Trying to casually do our work on a Friday night. New York is going off.
Dance
Just
party.
a random dance on the
party.
street. It's so funny in New York. It just like is a party anywhere you look.
All right, see you later.
Publish it, babe.
Don't call me babe on video.
You're on the US one.
No.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It's about Sunday midday, super rainy outside. We smashed out a website in like 2 days, a new website.
brand new.
I think we had to like sacrifice a lot of kind of design element.
It's more of a journey. Like you start at the start and you want this beautiful website and you want every...
Sorry, my leg's stuck.
It's all right. I just want to get a bit of piece of camera and you just take it over.
I love this narrative.
Anyway, when you first start a website, you think you want to build this like beautiful, you know, thing that you've always wanted and everyone will love it. The more you get into it, the more you realize like that actually doesn't matter that much. You try and build websites from like a desktop point of view, and really at the end of the day you realize like 85% of people are on their mobile and don't even care about what you're trying to design anyway. So
I think something that's been really funny is like we have been like a bit like cringe about our website for so long, and then we're on this like find a developer site sort of thing, and we saw someone had an ad.
findadeveloper.com.
I don't know what it
Great
is.
site.
And there was an ad out for like a competitor of ours who had used our website as like,
Yeah, that's true.
I want to have this website. It was really funny because obviously we're like, oh. And then at the same time, you're like, it seriously is the blind leading the blind. You think yours is so rubbish and then someone else is trying to compete to yours. And then you look at another peer in the industry and you think they have it all worked out. Now we actually get to enjoy the weekend. We're going to go do some sightseeing. And then tonight we are finally getting creative, non-work related. We're going to a paint and pour night. It's literally like bottomless drinks. You paint really cool stuff. It'd be fun to get
Rose
creative.
is very excited.
I'm so excited. Like, this is what we preach and we never get to do it ourselves. Cool. See you there.
Catch you around.
Hey!
All right.
With the artist themselves. Yeah? Yeah, let's get our own little pod. Let it out, Dunny. Let it out. Let the aggression out. I can be whatever I want.
40 minutes later. See what's happening. Oh, beautiful. That's, oh, wow.
Get closer to it, Andrew.
Get the torch out.
Can I get what it's supposed to look like? All right. We do have one bald spot problem here. But she redeemed herself. That's solid circle. Season that brush. Oh, looks great. You signed it and everything. Oh no. Oh no. That's kind of cute. Who says Halloween has to be scary, huh? I think it needs sunglasses. Wait, tell us it. Okay, wait, I just
painting class. Let me just preface, I'm horrible. But I did take a painting class.
You're not as bad as me.
So there's 3 of you here, there's 4 paintings.
Yeah. One of us did 2. Okay, tell us which one you wouldn't buy.
Which one wouldn't you buy? And we'll get rid of it.
Well, I think
The one
that
on the left.
I appreciate the creative aspects.
Alright, that's
Creativity
done.
was-
Have a good night.
Oh my god, he's running away with one!
I gotta concentrate. It's 9 minutes.
That's quite weird.
You want honest?
Yeah, full critical
I mean,
feedback.
it's pretty obvious, but
What would
okay.
you pay the
Okay,
money
ready.
This one is just. I think the white. I just like. I like that. I like that. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I like that. Whose was it? Yours?
That's hot.
Yes!
for? Third place?
Yes!
Not
What
bad,
about second
third place. Yep. And first and second.
From a technical aspect, that one's well done. But I like the shades. I like the shades. So I'd probably go with the shades.
Thanks, Victoria. You've always been
Hey!
there for me, and I really appreciate it.
Yes!
Likewise.
Thank you.
Like that.
All right, everybody. Grab your stuff.
Well, you weren't that one, so
You
weren't
weren't?
that one.
$5.
500.
He'll pay you.
I'll give you 50 cents.
I'll actually take this.
Bye!
Oh, what happened to this?
I'll pay for that one.
Yeah.
You won that one.
That looks like me.
Oh my
after a
god,
night
that
out.
is actually Halloween. That is terrifying.
That is pretty creepy.
Tell me you're into branding without telling me you're into branding. The fuck are these eggs? Like, look at this unboxing experience of these bloody eggs with gold foil. It is all in the detail, guys. Tell you otherwise. I'm sorry, did Crockd go into eggs? an essential part of thriving biodiverse ecosystem. Guys, everyone's getting eggs for Christmas. Look at them. Okay, impressed.